In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Ecwid review, exploring the pros and cons as laid out for the year 2025 by Liz Masoner. Whether you're a small business owner looking to expand online or an established digital entrepreneur, great insights await. First, let's discuss what the Ecwid platform actually is. Ecwid is short for e-commerce widget and serves as a flexible tool designed primarily to help retailers create and manage their online stores. It's tailored for users who may be familiar with e-commerce but aren't looking for something overly complex to get started. One of the standout features of Ecwid is that it allows you to embed your online store almost anywhere. This means you can integrate and showcase your store across various platforms effortlessly, expanding your reach without much technical hassle. It's an appealing approach for those who want to blend their e-commerce functionality seamlessly with their existing presence on websites and social media. Moving on, product management in Ecwid is notably well organized. It simplifies the process of handling inventory, orders, and products, offering an efficient setup appreciated by its users. Yet, on the flip side, some may find its store management slightly jumbled, which can sometimes make customization a hit or miss experience. Now let's dig into some of the pros of using this platform. Ecwid offers a great deal of freedom when it comes to payment processors. You're not locked into any specific method, granting you flexibility and control over how transactions are handled within your business setup. This is a breath of fresh air, especially for those who need adaptability. Integrations hold significant value too. Ecwid connects with numerous applications and services. These integrations are vital for those looking to streamline operations, making Ecwid a more cohesive element of your overall business ecosystem. However, no platform is without its cons. Some users have noted certain limitations with the customization aspects of Ecwid, as previously mentioned. Depending on your level of expertise and expectations for store design features, this could pose a constraint. When assessing Ecwid's pricing and value, it's important to understand what you're receiving for each plan. They offer tiered pricing structures tailored to different business needs, making it approachable for newcomers and scalable for those growing their digital footprint. Lastly, we come to the inevitable question: is Ecwid right for your business? While Ecwid has its advantages, the decision ultimately depends on your specific objectives and what you're hoping to achieve with your e-commerce capabilities. Consider its features, integrations, and flexibility alongside your business's unique requirements before making a decision. In conclusion, while Ecwid provides several strong features and opportunities for customization, it won't be the perfect fit for everyone. Carefully weigh its advantages and limitations relative to your specific needs. As always, taking the time to explore and assess these aspects will result in a more informed decision that best suits your business objectives going forward.